Ba écht nach beag gasca manana mí fé héin ar chuidir stopla lí agus a bhaachtas Craobh sa chéile bhuachant. Bhuair a ríiste dó ach gheard le hátlí tacht cho héin agus bhuachta trí, a chán dáin treis briscrí alingt idir an dá lein. Brec le pedadórigs réifte an scoch, léirigh átlí agus an bhí a níomhálta le lein na Craobh den an átaí nús sa Ceannais. Ciúcha arnamhach bócach an ardáí ógáin am líana. Bhí Brian Tyres, Michelle Ryan a Barcan Crow de Ceannais Seintir Craobh TG4.
Mary Kate Cliath in Meath Heatherton, Nish Martian Carlo, and Gashka Yinchi Dianach and Ladarnach Augusta, and Trasna and Buaicphointí, Agus Robin Murray, Beshi Boyach, Knockfordson Goff a Horse to Stach, and here Tangavalike, Nietzsche Harmola Berta. And V. Fevro Richt. Dacker Spas a Craobh, Hamadirich Hannah Terrell a Frashtint, Agus she Shahan Sahnishi, an edible na Cluiche, go hall in Harnish and Trasna. Dirigan Skia Cossenta a Hostar and Duggan, a Tichim Gary Agus Abby Sheens, Gani Dulce Chance, Prisha get Orlan Nolan.
Sinead Rota Ibran a Távach Duck agus le feicáil ón dá héh Orla Nolan a bhíam chun an television alteration an an block amach.
Burtonson, Fanatalo and get Heatherton agus tá Carla Rowe, a focus to get Black Cliath, Mary Kate Cliath the Listach Larger, a Cluiche Gaelton Seneca, Buntosh to get Nicole Owens agus tá Craobh, Fachta again Black Cliath. The hook goes Chapman van Tosh to the Peile Larger Buaicphointí.
Agus Cahamid Mulla Hart Douglas Chapman Marishin, gone hours Rinna Cluiche or Carla Rowe, Sean Dwilla, a Forshi o Mary Kate, Lana Nimmerter Reich, Vichy and Eln and Passa, her Trasta Gadi, Nicole Owens, Agus Shin a Sturu Stack, Sully and Ton. So on Távach Duck, the Cliath Toshi Trisha, Hena Do, I am shoe, let's take the shot no mid.
Nishta Hannah Terrell Buckestach. Craobh na Cadence and the Craobh Dacrach the Charla Keeley, Kate Sullivan, and Lewis Agus McGool. On both the saw, Dianic Paint and Gano, Agus Paint on a Lachford.
On a jazz o Kate on Townshend, Agus you see Carla Keeley at all, and Job at all, Kane on Ela Nunt, Agus see his stuff on Jacker.
Emma Duggan Fokker, who was a gay Kunte in the Mhí, and Gedeller Fadiev Erdul Gus Cossenta. Carla Rowe, Takastig, Lastig, the Mary Kate, Lynch, a Rinkit, Siha, Besha Shadows, Mar score, Painter, Achmi Borda, and a Tullike.
Gone hours, fi cool down, fi Desher cool down, gone hours, but Faker Shin Mark, or Cohiv Clish up the Cunningshy and Varna, if either and Gaw Cussentor Shin.
Ambassador, Den Vachtas, Ismish, Ivri Shachti, Niamh Crowley. Landon, Clefner, Simbro, drawn a K, Titima Sachtashi Sir, Assan Ledemli, and Noah Sachtashi, the ambassador, Ruhanson again Vachtas, the Neskach Shachter, Diogamin Cheke, Orla Nolan, Mado Tish in the park of Gadisha K, and Radar Garten Bautason. Fuilach Kinnery, Colle Cart, Achta, Durach, Douglas Diggers, Black Cliath, and Northern Fair Laher. Kick him out, talk again, Martin Burn, Douglas Laher, reached. Eli shot out. Edan saying so Sean in his favourite Kush came on the Aslia team near Heatherton. Near score all chin counter nach Marvi Buntosh to hurt on both the round Pintas and Leon Tarnake.
Oh, Cade Mark Kriak is stock Celine Ton kick cool the Shinny Rashasker Curvation a stuff a faker shin but Feetney Rip Anya Tipaluri.
Gone score force on Immerchika, Prita, Tacht van Sonnige, Emma Duggan, Senior with Gully Dol. Ach, Shidna Taka Hordy, the Gansa Gormata, a Kelly, done good as more, Tranhona. Kerry Collinson, Ostafian, Edinburgh, British and Segri, Kieran Smith, Joey Kerry Collin, Council Harnash, Arish Gaffalash, to Ailey Showdown. Mata on Dorothyta, Emma Duggan, Shinin, Hiet scored on Emmert, the Hoot enemy, Tranhona.
Shine August, and Sheo counted I fight again with Duggan, and Kay can on him, and Mar Louis too, August. She Eastation and Slew Shin.
Nish Nick count Frisch shot Emma Duggan, and say Buaicphointí Gary to K. Chofada le Vicky Wall nish Deshi Kashu agus Tom Taction Dienta agus a bhfuil a Sherry an doing and so.
Sinead an scór Vicky Wall a céad scór fighte céad nuamh agus an comhimmert idir í féin agus Emma agus gaibh mulla hart a Emma cúpla cín a bhí chutha mús a céile.
Fachtar rícht Kimarsin agus Megan Tyne a dírigí chimead las muige. Kate Sullivan ruhar dastiant Kashuad chun bhar na goscailt de Nolan. Sin ardaisteach sa spás a cé níomh Heatherton a techt. Bhí rabha an dáthaibh hena tearl caiisiíocht letaí bhanaias an painte go hálan.
Agus cad é mar glúiseacht agus mar tuiscint agus fáin a freisin orla Nolan is even le mar bhealach go cumad sé se na líorda.
Ach tá Craobh Ella le buachtain an tránánaigh Zéilí Showdown. Isteach ní Kate Sullivan, Mary Kate Lynch Februach a Showd. Prainte. Cearú ceann an Ubica.
Sinead Prainte ach deisir cúla bhí ann gan áras ach tá sí agus á Cliath sásta rud é go teile a chuir chlár an scór.
Is tá seans an sacha. Ciara Smith with Jichan Toot Buaicphointí agus is Prainte bra sin ag Ciara Smith de chuúnta na mí.
Sinead agus sin an buntáiste bhainean le iad a tholáthú níos tapúla in áíra agus sin mar a rinne an bhí Vicky ón kickséir sin.
Fánartha glúiseachtain cín agus Ciara Smith ach an sort rudda atá á grá agus á géapa passing an áfuil Crane agus se chun Heatherton a techt leistigh tuigeann siad go níana léir Phointí an bhart agus tá ceann le feachta go Heatherton. Ní hen trocail a thuaigh den bar canna teirl déanna sí héine. A gléasa na nimidóirí eile Sinead Gorgeach agus Barrow tucha de Hannah Teirl. Faide seo mar ómós. Agus nach trahúil nar gá an trocail gur féad le siúil de fort na himmartha. Cliath agus Laura Grendon siarn sagadí Craobh Yasta heb beganí sa chumrí lena citóig go hálaíonta again gapdain.
Sinead agus hiig sí díreach nuair rinne sí teangáil leis an líra sé greibh sí chun dul thar an trasná nach na jazz é sin nuair a tharlaíonn siad it féic ar sin an cosíocht ítach jazz.
An dléimelig chuig captain Cliath a fuain an dáscór dearnach Spántas óntach Har a bheith céimseach agus tá an seachtú Craobh Buaicphointí níróidir bra Hannah Teirl tránán a bhí Kate Sullivan ar aus. Bhí orla nóla go húntacht a scóráil na tosa ar fada an imirt agus chun na fíorna dhéantin don céad neomad bur léir Craobh Díagris ónta goráidir I mála mahasa agus go mbeadh sé deacair ar chúnta na mí techt idir iad agus chun Brendan Martin. Agus chun Brendan Martin ágathe chun na bhlachas a get captain Cliath.
I am absolutely delighted to receive this cup on behalf of Dublin senior ladies. And I want to thank the support today because you have been absolutely phenomenal.
Back in time, oh, I go wandering through the rooms of my mind. Every door that I've been closing.
After last year's disappointment, wasn't sure if we'd get another chance. There's been ups and downs, but I think we've only gotten stronger because of the downs.
Buntáiste go dtí Nicole Owens agus tá Craobh fachta aige Cliath.
We targeted a fast start and we absolutely got that, and everything just seemed to click and go right for us.
Cos came on the aslet to Liam Heatherton. Rómsach buinteas a líontánacha.
That's what we were going after. We got on the front foot and we kept after it.
We've been building and building, and I know our S&Cs, we talk a lot about them, and we looked at data during the week, and we were ready to peak today. And it just happens, and we just hit the ground running, and everything seemed to click.
Orla Nolan and Ray Garrett both of them.
I was probably not even thinking it was an All-Ireland final. It was first day back, and I wanted to go and enjoy it.
For her to come back, and in the shape she came back in, and to play a full game there and to be player of the match, Orla's a dream to work with. There's nobody like her in women's sport as regards what she puts into, the time she puts in to get her back into that shape, and she deserves all of that. If you sit back in these teams, they're just going to open you up, so you have to keep going and pushing on, and that's what we tried to do in the second half as well. We knew they'd get a purple patch at the start, and we just had to weather that storm.
And a turl, Cliath-2-16.
In that group there, there's some special players, and you won't see the likes of some of them again. And look, it's emotional for them, and we're so privileged to be able to work with them.
Spórt úntach, Harvey Craobh, agus tá an seachtú Craobh Buaicphointí.
It's so special, and I think you can see that, like, the grow we have for each other, and just we're so happy that the cup is back with the Dubs.
You know, we've worked so hard to get here, and for it to come out on that stage in a final, it's just a dream come true.
We've braved the storm, we've stuck together no matter what. You're all amazing footballers, but you're even better people and friends, and I'm just so proud and grateful to be a part of this group. Agus baile Cliath.